In one of our upcoming videos, you'll see we're on site and we're locating the house using a Field Maps app, which have the GPS coordinates of the house. And we start that back in the model. And within the model, we are able to geolocate the house and the property. We can import the terrain. It's terrain similar that you would find in Google Earth, that same, close to that same data. And we use that for rough placement of the house. You can see there approximate grade changes and slopes. And that helps us determine placement of the house. It aligns us to the views that we might want to see off the living side. What I'm calling the living side is the front elevation here, the views that we know that we have on the mountain range on this side. So we can do that rough placement in the model. So in this case, we went back to the site and we use a drone to do aerial images, and that will produce for us what is called a point cloud. The point cloud is actually fairly accurate, and there might be a foot or two difference in grade, but everything is rough grade at this point anyway. But it really helps us determine placement of the house and any fine tuning to the elevations. You can see here the carport is now not so far below ground. And I think at this point in the model, we know that we can have this carport and drive come down here with additional parking and a turn into the carport. And I think we can manage that. So once we confirm the actual placement of the house, we go into, we just kind of simplify it with the foundation view, and then use the app to find our GPS points. These are GPS points for each corner of the house. And these GPS points are what we bring into ArcGIS, which is an app that will let us take these points from a model, download to the phone, go to the field, use the GPS receiver to locate.